We're in line to ride the Ferris wheel, a circular shape made out of steel. Before we ride, we try to decide where a circle's lines of symmetry hide.
Lines to the center have symmetry, so each circle has infinity. Each line, upon further inspection, creates a perfect...
If we look at this image of a butterfly, and we split it down the middle with this dashed line, you might notice that the two sides look exactly the same. This is because each side is a mirror image of the other side. Or in other words, each side is a perfect reflection of the other side. In maths, we call objects like this symmetrical, and this line down the middle, which separates the two halves, is called a line of symmetry. If we look...
Mirror reflection.
Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry.
Rotational symmetry refers to the symmetry of a shape when it is rotated about its centre, and whether or not it will look the same when rotated into different positions.
Lines of symmetry.
All around us.
At the pirate ship, we wait our turn. This ride can make our stomachs churn. A line from the axle to the ground. There's one line of symmetry to be found.
Identical parts facing each other have symmetry with one another. Lines of symmetry evenly divide. Let's find symmetry on every ride.
Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry.
Symmetry.
Lines of symmetry. Yeah.
We see the roller coasters loop-de-loop has a line of symmetry between the hoop. A mirror reflection on each side is where the lines of symmetry hide.
Then we see a mirror and realize symmetry disguised right between our eyes. A line divides each side of our face. We see symmetry all over the place.
Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry everywhere. Lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry.
It's time for lunch and we've got a hunch that symmetry's in the food we'll munch. We look at a cracker, it's a square. We see 4 lines of symmetry there.
To the 4 corners, they were gone, leaving us with a cracker octagon. We looked a bit closer than to see the regular octagon's 8 lines of symmetry.
Everywhere we look,
Everywhere we look, we see
lines of symmetry. Everywhere lines of symmetry. Everywhere we look, we see lines of symmetry. Everywhere lines of symmetry. Everywhere we look.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more. Thanks for watching.